Now we will see how you will divide a decimal number by a whole number. Hope you know what are whole numbers. Whole numbers will never have decimal point in it. So find the first question for you is 6.4 divided by 2. Here the dividend is 6.4 and the divisor is 2. Here the first step you have to do is write the decimal number as fraction. How can you write 6.4? You can write 6.4 as 64 by 10. What is the next step? Perform division as you learnt in fraction. So you should know what is the division rule in fraction. What is the division rule in fraction? You will multiply the decimal number or the fraction with the reciprocal of the divisor. That is 64 by 10 divided by 2. Here the second number is 2. So you will multiply 64 by 10 by the reciprocal of 2. What is the reciprocal of 2? It is 1 by 2. So 64 by 10 into 1 by 2. What is 64 by 10 into 1 by 2? Let's see. 64 by 10 into 1 by 2. I can divide 64 and 2, right? So 2 into 32 is 64. So what is remaining here? It is 32 by 10. That is what is remaining here. So 64 by 10 into 1 by 2. 64 and 2 get cancelled. That is 2 into 32 is 64. So the next step is 32 by 10. I have showed you here how did you get 32 by 10. What is 32 by 10? 32 by 10 is 3.2. Understood? We'll see another question. Step 3, final answer is 3.2. Next question. 0.35 divided by 5. Step 1. 0.35 can be written as 35 by 100. Isn't it? Because in 0.35 there are 2 decimal places. So the denominator will be 100. Now 35 by 100 divided by 5. Fractional division. The first number as such multiplied by the reciprocal of the second number. So what will you write? 35 by 100 into 1 by 5. That is 35 by 100 into 1 by 5. Now you can see I can cancel 35 and 5. How can I cancel? 5 7s are 35. So what is remaining? 7 by 100 is remaining. 7 by 100. 7 divided by 100. You know how to divide by 100, right? 100 is having 2 decimal places. So here you don't have decimal place, but we will start from here. So if I write 7 here, the decimal place shifts to the left. So the decimal place is here for a whole number. So it goes 1, 2. So what is the answer? It is 0.07. Clear? we'll see one more question here. 65.4 divided by 6. 65.4, how many decimal places? 1 decimal place. Okay, 65.4 can be written as 654 by 10. So I can write the decimal or decimal division like 654 by 10 divided by 6. 654 by 10 into reciprocal of the second number, that is 1 by 6. Again, I can write 654 by 10 into 1 by 6. Here you can see 654 can be divided by 6. 6 into 109 is 654. So what is at last what you will get? 109 by 10. You will get 109 by 10. I told you for a whole number the decimal point will be at the extreme right. That is, it will be here. That is why we don't put it. So how many places you should shift to the left? 1 place. So it goes right 1. So the decimal point will be here. So the final answer is 10.9. The final answer is 10.9. Okay. Thank you, students. Students, you can find in your notebook many questions like this. I have done it step by step. You can go through it, copy it in your notebook, and if you have any doubt, clear it in the live doubt clearance session.